Hi guys. Due to the weather, what you're going to have as an assignment for Wednesday's class is you're going to have an asynchronous assignment where you complete basically the assignment we would have done in class just on your own at home. This assignment will be due midnight on Wednesday. So I'm just going to use this video to walk you through it, and then you shouldn't have a very difficult time going through this and doing it on your own. So I'm going to read the assignment first, and then I'll take you through all the different parts. Find 2 articles online about your paper topic, and you're just going to use Google this time. This time you're going to use Google. Next time we'll walk through doing all of the stuff with Academic Search Complete and the library sources. For each article, include the title and author, write a brief summary of the article, and take it through the 5 steps of the CRAP test. And so I included the CRAP test. It's the same one that you had from last time. Something that we want to make sure that we're doing while we're doing this assignment is finding sources that will help us answer the different parts of this essay that I'm asking you to find. So if we open up the assignment page here for paper 1, you see at the bottom the different parts that I want you to try to make paragraphs about. I said, write about the origins of this misconception, what is actually true, and tell us any bad effects that people may suffer from believing this. So I want to try to find all of those, if I can, through these Google searches, even though I'll try to find more on the library sources later. So all I'm going to do, I've gone here, I've Googled carrots and eyesight, and I found these 2 sources. This one is from the Smithsonian's magazine. Smithsonian is a really big, it's the biggest museum in the country. And then this one is called Science Focus. We'll take a look at that one as well here. First one here, oops. Go away, thank you. So this one is a article about the background of this myth. This is a historic article talking about where this myth actually came from, and it takes us through the World War II propaganda that led to people believing that carrots will make you able to see in the dark. What happened was that the RAF, the Royal Air Force in Britain, had radar on their airplanes, and they were using them to shoot down bombers in the middle of the night. And they didn't want the Germans to know that they had radar, so instead they told them, they put out a bunch of stuff about how everyone should eat carrots because it improved eyesight. The other beautiful thing about this is that they were rationing at the time, and carrots were really plentiful and cheap, and this made people want to eat carrots and not want to eat, you know, the stuff that they couldn't actually have, like chocolate and stuff. This is carrots on a stick. Iced carrots. Sounds tasty. And so this one goes through all of the history of that, the propaganda that went along with it, and then how they tried to sell carrots as every other kind of, carrot soup, carrot, all of this other stuff to get people to buy carrots instead of other things that they were rationing, and to believe that this actually helped your eyesight. And this was so effective that even after they admitted this after the war, lots of grandmas and grandpas still insisted on making people eat carrots all the time because they thought that it was going to help with them seeing better. So that sort of answers where this misconception came from, and a little bit about what's actually true. And then let's see if the bad effects one is mentioned in this one. Should I agree to this? Let's go and find a different one. I don't think this is the one I was using before anyway. Let's see. I think it's this one. No, that's not it either. Let's try this one. Oh, this one's just citing the same article. I'm going to put in a different search term here. So I just say, what happens if you eat too many carrots? And this one will be about the results of that, which are pretty funny. This actually happened to my aunt one time. So this one, the surprising fact is eating too many carrots or other foods high in beta-carotene can cause a yellowish discoloration of skin, according to dermatologists. The discoloration, a condition called carotenemia, is most noticeable in the palms and soles of the feet. So this is by UAMS Health, which, yeah, University of Arkansas Medical Science. So this is a university's website. Alright, so to take this, I'm just going to go through this with the first one because I'm more familiar with it. But we're in a summary I already kind of gave you. The title of this is right here: a World War II propaganda campaign popularized the myth that carrots help you see in the dark. The author, K. Annabelle Smith. And so we'll go through all the different parts of the crap test here. Currency. This isn't super current. It's 10 years old. It's from August 2013. But it's a historic article. So if I'm talking about something historical, something from World War II times, it doesn't matter that it's 10 years old. If I was trying to write about a really current myth, you know, like something about, you know, related to TikTok or something like that, then I'd probably want these to be a lot more up-to-date than this. But yeah, it's current enough. Relevance, it's very relevant to what I'm talking about because it's talking about the same subject. Authority, so is K. Annabelle Smith a good authority on this? We're going to click on her name and see what other stuff she's written. So she has, she doesn't do this anymore, but at the time she had a lot of different dietary history that she wrote about. So this is how Waffle House uses Twitter to help recovery efforts. Is there a future in instant coffee? What the heck do I do with a cardoon? Some of these are more dietary. These are the more dietary ones. But, yeah, she talks about mostly historic diet-related stuff and science diet-related stuff. So, yeah, she's a decent authority for this. Accuracy, is it accurate? There's a lot of citations in here where you can click on these links and it'll take you places and read about so this is Snopes. Yeah, so it has a lot of different links that will take you to other useful websites that you can go to. This is the same as citing sources like we would do in our own papers. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And then the purpose, it's obviously trying to inform us. It's not trying to, it's not using splashy titles or anything like that to get us to click on the advertisement or click on the article and read something that's, you know, is like a bait or switch or something. There are a lot of ads on here, though, which leaves a little bit of credibility to be desired, but mostly it's just trying to inform us. Alright, guys, so for your own, go and find 2 sources, give us a title, author, brief summary, and take each one of them through the CRAP test. Get that done by Wednesday at midnight, and have those in, and that'll be your assignments for this week. I'll see all of you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend.